Separation anxiety is a common problem in dogs, where they become overly distressed when left alone. Helping a dog with separation anxiety requires patience and environmental adjustments. Here are some effective strategies to help ease your dog's anxiety. Dogs with separation anxiety feel more secure with a consistent routine. Keep feeding, walks, and bathroom breaks on a regular schedule to reduce stress. This stability helps your dog feel more comfortable and confident. During training, avoid leaving your dog alone for long periods to prevent setbacks. If you need to be away longer, ask a neighbor or dog walker to help. Only gradually increase the time you're away, as your dog becomes more comfortable with short separations. Before leaving, give your dog some exercise to help tire them out. Take them for a walk, play a game, or use a puzzle toy to stimulate their mind. This helps burn off excess energy, making it easier for them to relax when you leave. A tired dog is more likely to settle during your absence. Create a cozy, safe space for your dog, like a crate or a quiet room. Add their favorite toys or an item with your scent for comfort. This helps them feel secure when you're away. A dog anxiety collar is a wearable product designed to help reduce stress and anxiety in dogs, particularly during situations like being left alone, traveling, or during thunderstorms. Thunder Ease Calming Collar helps dogs manage stress from situations like separation, thunderstorms, and visitors. The collar uses a calming pheromone, similar to the one a mother dog releases when nursing her puppies, to reduce anxiety. It's drug-free and safely calms your dog's stress-related behaviors, such as barking or hiding, by releasing pheromones for up to 4 weeks. The collar is easy to use and works continuously, helping your dog feel calmer at home or on the go. Interactive dog toys for anxiety are specially designed to engage and distract dogs, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. The Hippo Treat Dispensing Dog Ball is not only great for dental health, but also helps reduce anxiety in dogs. By engaging your dog in interactive play, it distracts them from stresses, reducing anxiety while promoting IQ training and bonding. The green ball can be filled with food, which keeps your dog entertained and focused, providing a positive outlet for their energy and helping to alleviate feelings of stress. With time, your dog will become more confident, and you both can enjoy a more peaceful and happy relationship.